I got another unboxing video now. This is a Lenovo ThinkServer. I forgot which model it was, but got this on Woot. This is like $300-ish, $350 from the normal recommended retail price. I've seen like from $700-ish to over $1,000. So I got this at a pretty good deal. Now, if anyone's well, not asking, but wondering why I'm getting all these computer parts, I got my reasons. Nothing to concern yourself about, nothing huge. So let's cut this open with this knife again that I've used in like all my unboxing videos. Now, something that stuck out to me is this. Warning, this product contains chemicals known to the state of California to cause cancer and birth defects or other reproductive harm. Now, I have no idea what it's talking about. Unless this thing's, like, cooling or something, has some chemical in it to keep it cool, or it's got, I don't know, compressed freon inside the, heat conduction tubes in the heatsink, or some other crazy thing, maybe mercury in something. I have no idea what they're talking about. But, you know, if it can cause cancer, you wouldn't want to live your life completely safely now, would you? You gotta have some danger in there. You wouldn't fly on a plane if you didn't expect it to crash. Alright, so this is why the packaging is so big, because it's 80% nothing. Oh, this is a solid thing. I don't know what this is. Hold on. I thought this was just like a piece of cardboard to keep the stuff stable, but it's heavy. It's got something in it. Yeah, I don't know what that is. I'll open that in a second. This definitely feels like it contains something. Again, I'll get to that in a second. And here's the ThinkServer itself. Let's see what this says. I don't know, can't read Chinese. And the English part sideways. No. Security seal. Oh. Okay. There it is. Beautiful. Now I'm going to continue opening it. Might have to set my phone down. There it is. It's beautiful. It's got a Xeon 4-core 3 gigahertz processor, I think. Yeah, Intel inside Xeon. Not sure which model. I don't know any of the models. There's some technical specs. So yeah, back should be the power and peripherals. If you have purchased a 4-hour warranty upgrade. Oh, that's interesting. Please use a QR code. Okay, so I guess this is like one of those warranties where you start running it and then see if it messes up, because companies normally would order... Well, let me make it refocus. Is that automatic focus? I don't know what that was. So sometimes companies would order hundreds or thousands of these, either total or at once. So if something goes wrong, everything goes wrong. Yeah, this definitely contains something. Let's crack it open, shall we? Oh my god, this huge box for this. Amazing. Now this might have like my shipping stuff on it, so I'm not going to film this part. Let's see. Information. Information. It's got 2 discs here. documentation DVD and RAID configuration tool and automated installation tool for server operating systems. I'm not going to be putting a server operating system on this because I don't have one, and I need/want to put Windows 7 or 10 or whatever. I was looking at the price of like Windows 10, and Windows 10 is really cheap compared to some of the other Windows. I think it was like $100 for the anniversary edition, whatever that is. Wonder what the anniversary edition has. Also, I've always wondered why people like get Windows 7 Ultimate, whatever, like the highest version of Windows you can get. I'm just taking out this back part. Oh, it's on a spring. Okay, I should just be able to lift it up, I think. Pull it back. There it is. Whee! Okay, here's the interior. I think it said it either didn't come with an operating system or didn't come with a hard drive. Because, yeah, it's got a SATA connector there, but it doesn't look like there's anything inside it. Also, I'm like flipping the camera over every 5 seconds, so it's probably going to really mess up with the stuff. Oh my god, it's got one of these. Okay, so this, I don't know if you can see, is a PCIe X4, 8, or 16 or whatever thing that has made another PCI something sideways. So you could have like an extra bit, and that would connect and come out here. Now, I was thinking my use for this, I've been using 3ds Max, which is enterprise level animation and rendering software. I've been using 3ds Max in an educational environment for 2 years, and I am certified enough to actually, well, I mean, I'm experienced enough to be certified in it, and this is kind of like a small home render farm, because I'm going to be hopefully going into some like computer animation or video game design, preferably video game design course, but to do that I'd also have to do computer animation, and with that you want to build up, you know, some showcases, you'd want to build up a portfolio, you want to, you know, show off the stuff you've made. So I was thinking about using this as kind of the boss, as well as, I mean, the boss in a render farm to tell what all the other computers what to do. Just pulling this off here. It's got 2 Ethernet ports. I thought it might as well show that, and several USB 3.0s. So I would be using this as a boss, and potentially, because it can hold several hard drives and it's got a RAID controller built into it, I was thinking of using this as a home data server, as well as controlling 3ds Max renders. So, yeah, that's, almost forgot the box. This thing, and I don't know what it is. Maybe this is the thing that causes cancer. Maybe this is a rod of Neptunium, and I'm going to die as soon as I open this. Hold on. Alright, I cut this side open, and the white balance has gone off. That wasn't me farting, probably. That was my chair rubbing against my table. Oh, I think these are like mounts, if you put this on the server. These are, this is the thing you connected to the sides, and you'd slide it in, and these are the ones so you can slide it out of a rack without actually having to remove it. So, there, just dropped something. Nuts. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe if someone's allergic to nuts, it kills them. So yeah, these are the slides. Hold on, my camera's got kind of a weird wavy look on the screen, so I don't know if you see that. Like there's a bar of darkness. There, I'm just looking at my wall. Bar of darkness and a bar of lightness. Maybe I accidentally touched my phone to a magnet. Yeah, that's what these are. It's the sliding deal. You can see all the ball bearings and whatnot. So that's what that is. It's got these really tiny baby fans. Oh, so adorable! Look at that. So that's what those are. This thing is nowhere near big enough, even for an active heatsink. It's got to have a passive thing. So you got most of the radiators here. If I remember how to open these up, because I've opened a workstation desktop before. Back at the place I was learning how to use 3ds Max, we had a bunch of workstation desktops, and they had kind of these covers, these plastic covers. I don't know why, though. I don't really see any... Oh, it's control airflow. Okay, so this is, I'm assuming, pulling out air, so it pulls in air from... Okay, so this... No. This pulls out air, I'm assuming. This pulls in air, goes through here. The air flows through the, what I thought was a passive heatsink, and then comes out here. Well, technically this still is a passive heatsink, but because of the air flowing through, it kind of makes it active, I guess. Kind of, I don't know, hybrid passive active heatsink. Anyway, another thing, I don't know if you can get these, but if I could, I'd want to get a PCIe X16 right angle adapter. Oh, just set my elbow on that, kind of flipped. And put it in this thing here, so I could get a low profile 1-slot graphics card, so I could do hardware acceleration or other things. My hand's getting really unsteady. Maybe I'm getting Parkinson's at the ripe age of however old I am. But yeah, that's this thing. Let's focus again. I think autofocus is turned off or something. Let's try. Let's focus up on these barcodes. Oh, good old bokeh. Okay, yeah, autofocus turned off. Okay, that's annoying. But yeah, that's it. So yeah.